How to reset your password quickly on PrizePicks. If you want to reset your password quickly on PrizePicks, you have to simply open up your browser or app and go to prizepicks.com, then go to the login option. Once you're on the login option, if you had remembered your email address and password, then you would be able to log in without any sort of issues. But in this case, you must have seemed to forgotten your password, so we're just going to go ahead and then reset it. Once you're here on the login page, you must have entered the email and password and must have set incorrect. To reset your password, you can see this yellow button that says forgot password. So click on the forgot password button. Then simply type in the email address under which your PrizePicks account was associated with. Then click on send instructions. Then it will send a reset link or a code right there. So it says please check your email to reset password. So all you have to do is go to your respective email where you have associated your PrizePicks account with. There you'll find the email from PrizePicks that will allow you to go ahead and then basically reset your password. So this way you should be able to reset your password quickly on PrizePicks without having to remember your old password. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.